Hello everyone. Today we will learn about file and folders more. Today we will make a folder. We will make a file within, and also we can copy, cut and rename the folder which we have created previously. So first of all we will start with a new folder. So what is the use of a folder? As we can store our things in a separate cabinet or a separate drawer of a cupboard. Likewise, we can store our own files, our important files, in a separate folders where we can get it easily whenever required. So today we'll first make a folder in which we will store our own files. We'll go to the documents folder, or you can say the document library here. In this folder, I am going to make a new folder. Here in Home tab, you can find new folder option. By using this, you can create your own folder, or you can just right click on this blank screen and click on new. You will find a folder option here. Both will work same. You have to give a name to your folder. If you don't give any name, you cannot identify or recognize your file afterwards. So that please give a proper name for your folder. The name can be your own name or any kind of name by which you can identify your folder. Suppose you don't give any name to your folder, the computer will defaultly take a name as new folder. And if you create new folders likewise and don't give names, computer will add on new names like new folder 1, new folder 2, new folder 3. So to identify the proper folder, you have to give a specific name here. I will press enter, and I have made my own folder named sport. The date and time of my folder is given here, and what kind of file I have made or what kind of folder I have made, it will be specified by the computer. Now I want to create a folder within sport folder, or I can create a file within this folder. So to open this, I have to double click on it or right click and open. Both will work same. I will just double click on it. Now you can see where you are. Okay, I have made a folder named sport in document library of this PC. This is called as a path. The path means from where or in which way you have made your file, that can be described here. You can find your file easily by giving a path. The computer tells us that our folder is empty, and in this folder we are going to make more files and more folders, subfolders. As we have studied that the folder within a folder is called as subfolder. So the subfolder can also have more and different files within it. I will click here on Home tab. Here I will click on New folder, which can make a new folder. I'm going to give here a different name of a different sport. Our favorite sport is cricket. So I have prepared here or I have made here a folder named cricket. Same like we can make more folders or more subfolders here by right clicking also. Both will affect the same. Click on folder, give another name. So these folders are empty. As you click on these folders, they can be opened and the path will be given on the address bar here. Okay, so the flow suggests that we are here in the chess folder. The chess folder is in sports folder, the sport folder is in document folder, and this is the basic folder of this PC. Okay, now in chess folder I am going to make a word file, for which I am again going to right click. Here I can find new option, and now you can see a big list of different applications here. Here can be made a bitmap image, that is paint image. You can prepare here a Word document, PowerPoint presentation, Photoshop image, or any kind of RAR archive folder, WordPad, Notepad, worksheet in Excel, and zip folder also. Today we'll make a word file here. I will click here. As we have created a new folder with a different name, here you can make a file also with a name. You can find the information about the file. The file is in Microsoft Word, that is a document file. The date and time modified, type of your file, and what what is the size of your file is mentioned here on the screen. Now I will give a name here. I have made a file with a name list1 and I pressed enter. Now in the general way we used to open Microsoft Word, in which we type the document and then we save the files. But here we have already saved the file and now we have to enter data into it. So that we will double click on the file and a blank new file will be opened here directly. Whenever you open Microsoft Word and then you choose to enter information in that, it will ask you for a blank document. But as here we have already saved our file, it will never ask us to create a blank document. Now you can create a list here. I'm creating here the table. Suppose I made here a table, serial number, name, age, and school name. Likewise, we can make here a file, and further we can enter our information. So remember students, whenever you make this kind of file, the file is already saved and you just have to save the changes into your file. Just click on the save option. It will save the changes. You can close this. Now if you want to go back to the sport folder or the chase folder, sorry, sport folder, click on this sport here. It will let you to be in another folder. Suppose you want to prepare a file in a cricket also, You can double click on cricket folder, right click, new. Suppose here you want to prepare a bitmap image or word file or a presentation or a worksheet or a word pad file, notepad file. You can create any kind of file here. I'm creating here bitmap image. So different kind of pages or different kind of files will show you different kind of icons here. The thumbnails of each program is a different kind of thumbnail. The file is made as a picture image. We have to edit it in a bitmap image. Here in this way you can make an image, change it, and also you can save it. You need not to go to the file menu every time. There are quick launch options on the title bar. You can click on the quick launch options. Now you can see that we have made here a sport folder in which we have made chess and cricket folders. Suppose you want to navigate between the folders, here back and forward buttons are given. Back button will let you go to the previous folder or previous screen, and forward button will let you to go to the next screen. Suppose you want to go to the parent folder. Parent folder means the sport folder, or that is parent folder for this chess and cricket folder, and the document folder is parent folder for the sport folder. Now if you see this, herein you can find in the left pan the sports folder is given in document folder. If you click here on the arrow of sports folder, you can find chess and cricket. Okay, this is the outline way or outline view of your folder list, where you can find which kind of folders are made in any specific folder. Now suppose you want to copy a file from one folder to another folder to take a backup. Just click on your file or right click on your file and copy it. The file will be copied. Now you can take a backup of this file into another folder. I will go to the document folder. Here I will make a different folder named backup, in which I will right click again and paste here a file that is already copied. Suppose I want to copy this image also. I will just right click on this image. I will copy this and again go to the backup folder and right click here under, and I will paste here. So The both files are copied here into a backup folder. These files lie in JSON Cricket files also, folders also, and here in the backup folder also. Suppose you want to rename any file. Rename means to name again with a different name. You can right click, rename, and type a different name for your file. Right click here, rename. Okay, now these files are saved with different names. So we have seen here to create a folder, to create a subfolder within, to create Word document within a folder, to create bitmap image in Word folder, bitmap image in a folder, and to create a backup by copying them. This is all for today. Thank you.